Hello coders, in this particular video I'll be discussing on text formatter in MS Word. So what basically text formatter is that whenever we are pressing Ctrl and then Ctrl F9 from our keyboard, these two curly braces is opening up. Anything which is written inside this, that can be known as the text formatter. Something like you have to give an equal to sign, and then if we write any 4-digit number or maybe 3-digit number, let's begin with a 4-digit number. So 78 and then 34, give a slash and then star and then cut text. Now all I have to need to do is that you need to press F9 from your keyboard. Okay. So alternatively you can right click in here and just select this particular option, update field. For some reason my F9 key didn't work. So what's the trick? Control F9 for the text formatter to appear. Write your text in a format that will be formatted by the MS Word, and then press F9. So Control F9 followed by F9. 7834. So far so good. Now if I open up calculator, you can easily assume that how it is difficult one if you are giving some brackets. So in general, this is scientific calculator is not opens when you are opening calculator for the first time. It opens in this particular form, standard. So you have to select this particular option, scientific. Now we'll be having these braces, this first bracket, second bracket and all those stuff. Now if there are some equation, mathematical equation, and you need to type it manually, maybe bracket open and then maybe 15 divided by something and something. So as you can easily assume that if you are using a mobile phone which is a touchscreen one, it will be an easy one to just calculate it by giving some braces. But if you are using some you are using computer, so giving these braces and calculating that particular value to the particular equation, it will be a tough one. We can overcome this particular drawback in MS Word also. So what we need to do is that again we will be discussing the second feature of the formatted text. Second, we will be pressing Ctrl F9 from our keyboard, and remember why we are giving equal to something like in Excel, in MS Office package, whenever we are trying to do some utilize some function, those should be beginning with equal to. So here also we will be giving an equal to, and maybe we will be writing 15 and okay, so 15 divided by, if I just simply write 5 and then minus 3, so 3 minus 5 2, so the answer will change accordingly. Let me just show it. So 15 by 5, so according to BODMAS rule, division will be first, then the subtraction. 5 3 is 15, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Fine. So maybe instead of let it be 3. Now let me update field, the answer is 0.0. So far so good. Now if we press give a brace to this particular equation, now 5 minus 3, since it is within a bracket, BODMAS rule, so since this is within the braces, this operation will be evaluated first. 3 minus 5 2, and 2 divided by 15, that will be the answer. So let me right click in here and click on update field. So we are having the answer 7.5. So this is a handy tool in MS Word which you can use, which is known by the name of text formatter. Before ending the video, I will be pressing again Ctrl F9 from our keyboard and then give an equal to sign. And instead of giving a 4-digit number, maybe this time we will be giving a 3-digit number, 535. So that's basically 535, and we will be converting it to Word. So we will be writing cut text. Do remember, this slash will be a backslash one, there will be a star, and there is no space in here within this. So 535, after that followed by a slash and then star and then cut text. There are no spaces in between within this particular text format. So let me right click in here and click on update field. So let's see what's the answer. 535. So I showed you, guided you 2 ways to use text formatter for converting any numeric number into words, and also to do some complex mathematical equation using Ctrl F9. That's all for this short MS Word video tips and tricks. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.